first video. Got a 210 here. 220, my bad, 220 EC. Big Volvo. It's disgusting. Needs a bath. Pretty good machine right here. Job we're on, Dollar General. We got to tear down the house and take out some trees. So let's get started. We had the electric company come take out these trees. And power lines so close there. They'll come cut stuff like that when it's so close to the line. So that'd be easy. It'd make it easier on us. Let's get started on some trees. All right, ladies and gents. Show you what we got going on so far. Got us a tree, 2 or 3 more trees, brush pile. Took out 3 real pretty cedars right here. And, just waiting on the sawman here. Get on it there. He'd be slacking, burning chains up, sticking them in the dirt, setting the bars on fire. Have to get on him. Oh, you stopped! What happened? Oh, rookie mistake! Oh, what have you done? What have you done? I have to go get the old Volvo and save him. All right, princess, I'll hold it for you. Good boy. Well, we're back. It's Monday morning, probably about 9:30, I guess. And been cleaning up some trash that I left there Saturday, and we didn't get picked up. Made a second little brush pile there because the first one's too big. This one's just puffy. It ain't all that big, but probably take the top part of it off. Get a burn permit and set it on fire, and then go to stacking stuff on it and burn it as we go. That way the pile don't get just too big. And I got my stumps piled up over there. Got a few more trees, right. Got a little brush pile there to carry over. I got to dig those stumps up. Got 2 big pines here. And Dad and them's taking the shingles off the roof. So, I done some footage this morning for filming that I've got of me actually scraping the shingles off the roof with this traco. And they're just sweeping them off in the skid steer. We got a dumpster around the back. Got that big tree and 2 or 3 more right here, as you can see, here and whatnot. I'll probably get you guys some footage of that here in just a little while. Just wanted to throw this update in there. Hadn't made one this morning other than filming the shingles, but that's about it. I got some film of me stacking that small puffy brush pile there and brought the dozer in this morning. So right in this general area here is where the pad's going to be built, and we're going to have Kenneth, he's going to start stripping topsoil. So anyways, I'll see if I can get you some footage of that, and got the old GoPro here today, and we'll see what we can't get rolling. So fix those in just a second. Spread them out real nice and whatnot for Sawman. There's a root over there, I can feel it. Alright, we'll just go ahead and take it out. Perfect. back porch down, and they're working on them last little bit of shingles right there. Next be just tear down the house, burn all this brush, get it burned up. Back. Got 2 brush piles, them big ones, knocked out. Piled into one pretty much. And I'm sitting here. Glass on the tractor's hot. Letting her cool down a minute. I'll flip this camera around and show you guys what we got going on. Pretty warm. Pretty warm. Well guys, I hope y'all enjoyed this little video here. This picture here that it shows is the last picture of the last little brush that I had left to stack. And was able to burn stumps and all out. But hope you guys enjoyed, and see y'all on the next video.